Ukrainian forces shot down a Russian Ka-52 attack helicopter. In an action carried by the 128th Mountain Assault Brigade, a Russian helicopter was downed with portable MANPADS. The report was made by the command of the brigade on Telegram. The defensive forces posted a video showing the remains of the downed enemy helicopter. As reported, the Russian aircraft was shot down yesterday on October 7th in the occupied areas of Donetsk. The Russian forces were using the helicopter to cover with fire the Ukrainian forces while enemy soldiers were retreating from their positions.